Welcome to Cheeky Kids Land.
Today I draw a computer. La la la. Today I draw a computer. La la la. Yoo-hoo yeah, 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 la la la. First I draw a computer screen. 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 And now draw outline of computer. And now draw outline of computer. And now draw outline of. And now draw outline of computer. And now draw outline of computer. And now draw outline of.
Draw with me for more drawings and learning. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Just draw 3 triangles and then draw a simple computer screen. Yay! Watch my video for computer drawing.
Now draw a button. Now draw a button. Now draw a button. Now draw a button.
And now I draw a keyboard. Just draw a rectangle shaped square and put a lot of buttons in it.
Now draw a keyboard. Now draw a keyboard. Now draw a keyboard. Now draw a keyboard.
And now I draw a button. Just draw a rectangle and then draw a little boxes in it. A lot of little boxes. This is a big button. This is a space button.
And
now start to draw a button. And just draw straight lines and make it a box. And now I draw the word of the mouse, and then I draw a mouse. This is a cursor of the computer.
I have done my computer drawing. I have done my computer drawing.
Now I am doing the board outlining of the computer. Okay friend, so let's start coloring. First I take the orange color.
Orange color is my favorite color. Orange color is my favorite color. Orange color is my favorite color. Orange color is my favorite color. Orange color is my favorite color. Orange color is my favorite color. Orange color is my favorite color. Orange color.
And now I take the sky blue color for the screen. This emoji looks so sad. I'm doing the sky blue color in the screen. The sky blue color is just like a watercolor, ocean's color.
Woohoo was sky blue color. Woohoo was sky blue color. Woohoo was sky blue color. Woohoo was sky blue color. Woohoo was sky blue color. Woohoo was sky blue color. Woohoo was sky blue color. Woohoo was sky blue color. Woohoo was sky blue.
After that, I am doing the red color in the mouse.
La 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 la, red color on for red la la lay la. La 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 la, red color on for red la la lay la. La 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 la, red color on for red la la lay la. La 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 la,
And now I take the orange color for buttons. This is the keyboard buttons, which we can write anything by this button. And now I take the yellow color for the second line button. And in the last, I take the green color for the last row of the buttons. Now I take the blue color. I'm doing blue color. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Ta-da!
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget